Weekly deals. Hey there, welcome to PropMarker, your go-to place for awesome property finds. Today, I'm excited to share with you our weekly property deals feature. Let's jump right in and check out the fantastic opportunities that await you. At PropMarker, our weekly property deals bring you 30 top-notch opportunities with fantastic returns. We use our smart AI to discover hidden treasures in the investment world, carefully selecting properties that promise amazing returns. Our super smart AI scans the property market, picking out the best ones with crazy potential. It's like having your own cool personal advisor. Every week we present you with the 30 absolute best deals. These aren't just any properties, they're the cream of the crop. Think high returns on investment, ROI, and impressive yields, the real deal. But wait, there's more. Our AI is like a property detective. It finds the hottest areas where the real action is. We're not just pointing out properties, we're uncovering the best hotspots where the property market is booming in sales and rentals. From these buzzing hotspot areas, we cherry-pick the absolute best properties to showcase in our weekly deals. It's like a fast track to success in the real estate game, so don't miss out on this chance. Explore PropMarker's weekly property deals now, and let our AI be your guide to the next big investment. Your dream property is just a click away. PropMarker, your ticket to awesome property investments. Happy investing.